Hello everyone. This is how the typical task for fixing project dependencies looks like after the verification by our security engineer. To make things easier to work with tons of vulnerabilities, we simply combined all the CVE into one list and they can be fixed by one command. Just run this command as a fix measure. If an application is anyhow relying on a vulnerable dependency, you are ending up dramatically increasing the chance of exploitation of different vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities from project dependencies can cause serious damage to our business. Leaving your dependencies outdated can add up to the statistics of data breaches. What engineers usually do? They update libraries, downgrade libraries, change libraries, and move functionality to another microservice. So, how to fix this? As mentioned previously, all you need to do is to run a simple command to get rid of such risks. Thank you for your attention. Bye.